Now that we have jumped into the fall season, full force and with all the activities and holidays, let us take a moment to determine how we can also chill out a little bit when we need to, or get a really good night's sleep. To do that, with this meditation, we're going to use a very easy technique known as Mellow Mudra. So when we do this mudra, this hand position, we're going to take our thumb and put it over the index fingernail on each hand. The thumb is working with lung meridian, and the index finger is working with large intestine. We are actually in fall season, which is represented by lung and large intestine. So we're going to place that thumb over the index fingernail, and we're going to bring that right to the temples. We're going to let our fingers sit across the front of the forehead to calm that busy thinking. Now, the best way to do this, or the easiest way, is lying down, because then your arms are supported by the pillows, or to let someone sit in a chair and stand behind them and do this. So as you hold this, you're just taking a deep breath in and just letting go. Again, a deep breath in and just let go. Again, deep breath in and just let go. Let's come down for a moment over the lung area. Remember, the lungs work emotionally with our anxiety and our grief. So last week we did some raking. We just raked out the grief. And we can do that anytime that we need to. There's a great point for large intestine right between the thumb and the index finger on the inside here, which you can massage. Great for headaches, great for digestion. And you're going to do that on both sides. The only time you're not going to stimulate this point is if you're pregnant. Not a good idea. Otherwise, working with this point again, great for headaches, digestion, and just helping clear toxins out of the body. So we can hold the lung area and support the lungs. We can rake out the lungs, clear them out, and we can just set intention to let go of what we don't need. And to get a really good night's sleep, or to calm down the body, mind, and spirit, Mellow Mudra, taking our thumb over the index finger on each side, bringing that right to the temples and letting the other three fingers meet together, the center of the forehead. The baby finger works with heart. The ring finger helps us to calm that fight or flight. The middle finger is that coarse fire finger that works with circulation. When you hold Mellow Mudra, you're going to need to hold this for 5, 8, or 10 minutes. And again, one of the best times to do this is when you get ready to fall asleep. When you get in bed at night and your arms can be supported by the pillows, and you can just close your eyes, take yourself to your safe space, and simply breathe in and out at your own rhythm. As you hold this, you'll notice that you begin to calm down and relax, that you're taking longer breaths, and it will help you go into a very deep and restful sleep. This is Elsie Kerns, your Overwhelm Warrior, and I'm so glad you joined me this morning for this short meditation. Enjoy Mellow Mudra and let me know how it works for you. If there's any way I can help you further, you can reach me at overwhelmwarrior.com. Have a great weekend. Enjoy this fabulous fall weather here on the East Coast. And take time to take care of yourself.